Scales count by groups. Read the key first. Compare the bars.
Welcome to the Fisher's Tally Marsh. Meet Wren, the young great blue heron. When marsh fishers record a massive catch, they don't draw hundreds of individual fish. They use graphs that pack large numbers into very small pictures. This picture graph shows the daily catch for 3 fishers. Notice the leaf panel at the top. This is the key. It tells us that each painted fish icon stands for exactly 5 fish, rather than just 1. Since Heron's row has 4 icons, Wren reads the total by skip counting by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Skip counting is a fast way to find the total, but mathematically you are multiplying. You take the 4 icons and multiply them by the value in the key. 4 times 5 equals 20 fish. On a scaled picture graph, the viewer multiplies the symbol count by the scale rather than counting individual icons. Now Wren is going to build the exact same data using a different format, a scaled bar graph. This bar graph has an axis running up the reeds. Instead of counting by 1s, the axis counts by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This matches the scale from our picture key. Since Heron caught 20 fish, a solid bar grows right up to the 20 mark. We calculate the remaining bars using multiplication. Otter had 3 icons, and 3 times 5 is 15. Kingfisher had 5, and 5 times 5 is 25. A scaled bar graph and a scaled picture graph carry the same values, only the visual representation changes. We use these bars to compare the catch. Look at Kingfisher and Heron. How many more did Kingfisher catch? Finding how many more means finding the difference. We take Kingfisher's 25 and subtract Heron's 20. The difference is 5. Let's compare Otter's 15 fish and Kingfisher's 25. If asked how many less, do we need a different operation? No, the operation stays the same. How many less also asks for the difference. We subtract 15 from 25 to find a gap of 10. Whether a problem asks how many more or how many less, you read 2 values on the scale and subtract to find the difference. Let's finish with a 2-step challenge. How many more fish did Heron and Otter catch together compared to Kingfisher? Step 1. We combine their catch using addition. 20 plus 15 equals 35. Step 2. We compare that total against Kingfisher's 25. 35 minus 25 equals 10. For 2-step comparison problems, read each scaled value, combine the requested groups first, and then compare the totals. Each symbol in a scaled graph is worth more than 1. Read by the key, then combine or compare. I'll see you at the next tally. But before you go, try this. On a key of 5, if a row has exactly 6 fish icons, how many fish is that? And how many more is that than Heron's 20?
Each picture has value. Count by the scale. Answer from the graph.